Hi, I'm Ray, and we're down the allotment today, and I've not been down for 2 weeks. We've been very busy with work, doing a few different jobs, just generally being busy. So I've come down now for a quick look in the polytunnel, as I've not actually seen how my tomatoes or anything's been going on. So I thought I'd give you a quick tour and a quick update of a few things that are going on. And overall, after a few weeks not coming down, although it's been very dry, the weeds haven't been too crazy. Although there are weeds, but it's not been that bad. And it's a bit more manageable. So let's have a look at what we got. So one thing I always wanted, and I've said it many years, I wanted some nice colour on the vegetable plot. So I've got these nice yellow flowers and also the marigolds. And these are next to my lettuce, next to the potatoes. And I must admit, they do make an allotment plot look so much nicer with a bit of colour than the boring old green. So today I came down to harvest the garlic, and I think I'm a bit late, although it should still be okay, just won't be storing very well. So I can dig these up and take them home and use them pretty much direct. The onions are doing well, and we've got some carrots and some parsnips growing. So the runner beans on my X-shaped frame have been very slow. They've been really slow. And I've seen other people say their beans has not gone too well this year. They're getting there, but it's very slow. So one of my requests was for a lot of peas this year. And I've got this pea frame up, and we've started to grow quite a few peas, but not as many as I really wanted. We do have some nice shaped pea pods. We have harvested a few. I don't tend to normally get home. Let's just have a look at what we got. Oh yeah, looking good. Look at that. Lovely. Well, they're not getting home. Really good. Maybe we'll have some at dinner one day. They are so nice. So this is my polytunnel runner bean arch, and the runner beans are going up here quite well. And the next bed section is some squashes. And then we've got some cucumbers and then tomatoes at the end. It's getting a bit rather overgrown, but then 2 weeks not being up here, not much to be expected. So this is our squash bed, and I've just noticed a little squash appearing there, which is great. Can't see many others yet. I was hoping these are going to grow over the arch. They've decided to do their own thing. So this is the cucumber section, and I got 2 cucumbers, and well, this one's done absolutely nothing, and this one has produced a cucumber, and it's also got a second one, but it's not growing up, not growing anywhere. One thing that has grown quite well up my arch is the bindweed. So the tomatoes in the cages, these are not clipped, none of the suckers were moved, and it's fading in with the nettles, and it's a bit hard to see. This is what happens when you don't prune or train the tomatoes. It just goes into one big mess. But I can see there are some tomatoes in there, which is a real bonus. So we've got some lovely sunflowers, but they're facing the wrong way. They always face the sun, which is not facing the way I want them to look at. The runner beans just started to form some little beans. Nothing too much to harvest just yet. And I will just encourage these just to go around a bit more. I just want them to go right over the top. Make it look nice. They're getting that way soon. So this is our multicoloured sweet corn, and it's doing okay, not shooting up very much. And the pumpkins are very slow. All the poppies have now flowered, and they've sent all these pods. So I should really move them, as we're going to get 1 million poppies next year. So I've got no water supply, and I've not been down for nearly 2 weeks, and it's looking remarkably good in here. The grapes over the top keeps a lot of condensation, and the condensation's dripping down, keeping it fairly moist in here, which is really good. But look at this. This first batch of tomatoes is the shop bought ones, the piccolo, and I really liked these when I tasted them. They came to me as a substitute, and I would never buy piccolo tomatoes, but look at this. Look at that. Amazing. So it's absolutely perfect. Look at that. We're going to taste that at the end. So the second tomato, this was a shop bought tomato, and we've just saved some seeds, and they're growing lovely. They just look like a normal standard tomato, and they're doing really good. The next one was Alicante, and we've got some tomatoes here, slightly smaller, and a nice big bunch. That big bunch there together, lovely. So look forward to seeing them. The next tomato is chocolate pear, and look at these. They're really interesting, and we got some at the back. Looking really interesting. Can't wait to see those. This should be a dark brown colour. The other tomatoes been slightly hit by the lack of water, as the leaves have all curled up. And the last one, got some tomatoes, but it's doing okay. So it's heading about 21 degrees outside, and it's really hot in here. And we've got quite a few grapes growing. Look at these. pretty good. Well pleased with them. So I'm quite pleased. Not been up for a couple of weeks and we've actually got some things growing and some actual tomatoes. The weather's getting a bit windy out there now. So thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also send me a like. And you get notification when I post some more videos. And I'm going to try this tomato. This is the piccolo and hopefully it had a nice scenty, sweety taste. So let's try. Just tastes like more of just a normal cherry tomato. No piccolo taste. But still, it's very enjoyable. Cheers. Lovely.